There's an exciting new service that allows you to take full advantage of the dynamic marketing potential of your waiting room. Smile Pro TV comes preloaded with a growing library of over 500 beautifully rendered, high-definition dental education videos covering all aspects of dental specialties. The intuitive display keeps patients engaged, shortens perceived wait times, and stimulates discussion about your services in a friendly format. Daily essentials like time, local news, and a 3-day weather forecast are also accurately displayed, no matter where in the world you're located. Effortlessly add your own logos and branding, as well as office hours and team members to build trust and create an open and friendly environment. All content fully customizable, placing the power at your fingertips to easily curate your patient's experience. Easily upload your own media to tailor content towards practice growth with promotional offers, before and after images of happy patients, or personalized messaging from the team. Smile Pro TV also contains dental trivia, animated slides, and fun facts proven to be excellent for calming treatment anxieties. Start a conversation and pique the interest of your patients today.